If you want to hear some cringy things, this is the video for you. And now, it's time for scratching paper! Oh man, it's not working today. What? Okay, let's scratch this instead. Yeah. And now it's time for a short film. No. Do. What the heck is... Time for bed, sweet pea. I don't want him. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what a wonderful morning it is. It's just time to get ready. Get away from me! Stay away! I don't want you. Okay? Oh, stop following me. Please. I said stop following me. I'll just sit down in the chair. Oh, you just want to play. Okay. You want to play? Die. Die. Yay. Oh, I'm sorry, little pig. I didn't actually mean it that way. You're really cute. But I don't want to marry you. No, I'll keep you as my pet for now. The cringe part of this video is sponsored by Aiden Brady 12345, so make sure you check him out. Only watch the Peppa Pig video. That's my favorite one. Want to get dizzy? Whee! This isn't my bed.